How to make links on Monopoly Go. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you must have your TikTok application and your Discord application. Now open your Discord application and all you have to do is to simply go and connect or join this Monopoly Go trading server. So to do that, you can go to Google web browser and then type Monopoly Go trading or Monopoly Go. Okay, Discord, join, and then you just have to tap this one Monopoly Go trading and then tap join server. Okay, once done, it will take you directly to your Discord application, and then all you have to do is to simply join. Now, once you have already joined their channel, what you're going to do is to look for free dice, and then it will show you the dice links there. What you're going to do is to simply copy or get that link that you can use for your Monopoly Go. Okay, so for example, let me search for free dice. Okay, search again. If you don't see that here, then you can go to the search icon and type free dice or dice, something like that. Okay, so here you can see tons of people with their instructions and their links for Monopoly Go dice links. Okay, so what I have said earlier, you just have to copy that one and then you can use that to your Monopoly Go account and Monopoly Go application. So I do hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching this and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.